Baby Shiva. And of course, let us also give a matter of appreciation for our cozy venue for tonight. Why not give your hands to the City Seasons party reception for tonight? And of course, we have our official photographer, Mr. Persian. Yeah, Persian in the house. And of course, Miss Rona earlier who did our amazing backdrop for this celebration. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, I was here earlier walking around, but you know what? I have to tell you something. I am observing each one of you. And to tell you what, I noticed that most of you are well prepared, well dressed, well made up. How about let's grab this moment of time to compliment each one of us here, okay? Can I request while you guys are enjoying your meal, why not tap the shoulder of the person sitting next to you? And I want you guys to greet them with a smile.